Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching my videos. If you are new here, please kindly subscribe and comment below. Today I'm back again with another video. I'm making lentil muffins. In today's video, I'm going to use only 4 ingredients. 1.5 cup of lentils, 1/4 cup of Greek yogurt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 3 eggs. I will start by grinding my lentils until I get a smooth flour-like texture. If you have a blender, you can use a blender, but just make sure you will blend until you get a nice and smooth texture like so. Lentils are healthy and nutritious. They are also easy to work with, especially if you want a quick breakfast. Not only that, but they are perfect for people who prefer gluten-free bread. So guys, this video is a silent recipe walkthrough. Make sure to watch until the end and follow along step by step to make these delicious lentil muffins. Thank you. Bye-bye.